Start by examining the drawing on top of the command filter to familiarize yourself with the required steps to open the filter. Next, close the valve located on the top of the command filter. Open the drainage valve to release pressure from the command filter. Next, release the cover nut using the multifunction tool. Extract the spine from the command filter. Examine the spine for any dirt and clean it as necessary by separating the discs and washing the spine under running water. Insert the spine into the command filter. Close the filter cover and tighten the nut. Close the pressure release valve located at the bottom of the filter. Finally, open the command filter valve. Initiate a manual flush procedure. Your command valve maintenance is now complete.